Hi everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to send a signature request using the BoldSign PHP SDK and how the signer completes the signing process after receiving the request. If you're new to BoldSign, I've linked videos in the description below to help you get started with the application. I'll start by installing the BoldSign PHP SDK in my project. Make sure you have installed PHP version 7.4 or higher. I open my project in Visual Studio Code, launch the terminal, and head to the BoldSign developer documentation. I copy the BoldSign PHP SDK installation command and paste it into the composer.json file. Then, I run the composer install command to install the SDK. When installation is complete, I confirm the setup by running composer show BoldSign/BoldSign PHP, which displays the installed version in my project directory. Next, I create a signature request. I return to the BoldSign developer documentation and find the sample PHP code for sending a document. I copy and paste it into my PHP file. Next, I update the code. In the API configuration, I set the API key to connect with BoldSign services. If you haven't generated your API key yet, you can do so by logging into the BoldSign web app. Navigate to the API menu, select the API keys, and generate a new key. Then, I define a signature field by specifying its position on the document. I set up the signer's details, name, and email address, and assign the signature field. Next, I upload the document to be signed, in this case, a non-disclosure agreement. I set the document title. I then pass these to the Send Document API to send the document for signing. With everything set, I run the script. The document is successfully sent for signing. Now let me switch to the BoldSign web app to show you the document status. In the Documents section, I navigate to My Documents and select the Waiting for Others tab. Here, you can see the agreement I just sent for signing. Opening it displays the complete details, including the document ID, status, and signer details. Next, I'll switch to the signer's side and walk you through the signing process. I've received an email notification asking me to sign the document. I click Review and Sign to go to the document signing page, where I first accept the terms and conditions. Then, I fill in the required form fields and click the Finish button to complete the signing process. The document is now successfully signed. I have received the completed document and the audit trail document via email. I open the completed document, which includes the signature and then the audit trail, which provides a log of all activities with timestamps and actions taken by the signer. That's it. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. And stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign API tutorial videos.